In today's video, I will walk you through how to find biggest crypto losers on CoinMarketCap. To find the biggest cryptocurrency losers on CoinMarketCap, start by opening CoinMarketCap on your desktop browser. From the homepage, move your mouse over the Cryptocurrencies tab in the main navigation bar at the top of the page. When the drop-down menu appears, select Gainers and Losers. You can also find a quick view of gainers and losers by scrolling down on the homepage. Look for the Spotlight or Trending widgets, where you may see a snapshot of the top gainers and losers. Select the View More link to open the full list. After opening the Gainers and Losers page, the results will display with top gainers selected by default. To view the biggest cryptocurrency losers, scroll down or select the Top Losers tab. The list will update to show the coins with the largest price drops based on the selected settings. To adjust the time period, use the toggle buttons at the top of the list. Select the time frame you want to check, such as 1 hour, 24 hours, 7 days, or 30 days. The results will change to show the biggest losers during the selected period. You can also adjust the market capitalization filter from the options available. Select a market cap range, such as top 100 or top 500, to change which cryptocurrencies appear in the list. After selecting your preferred time frame and market cap filter, review the updated top losers list to find the cryptocurrencies with the largest declines. This completes the steps for finding the biggest cryptocurrency losers using the Gainers and Losers feature on CoinMarketCap. Thank you for watching.